This new free Chinese open source AI destroys OpenAI and Google today. I'm going to show you the new Chinese AI that just destroyed Google and OpenAI's models. It's completely free, it runs on your phone, and nobody's talking about it. This is going to change everything. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Listen, I've been in the AI space for years. I've seen every major release, but what happened has me shook. Tencent just dropped 4 AI models that are making OpenAI and Google panic. They're completely free, open source, and you can run them on your laptop right now. The biggest one, it's competing with OpenAI's O1 mini model, a model that costs you money every single time you use it, and this Chinese model, zero cost. But here's what nobody's telling you. These aren't just good models, they're revolutionary. And I'm about to show you exactly why every business owner, content creator, and developer needs to know about this. Tencent just released 4 models. 0.5 billion parameters, 1.8 billion, 4 billion, and 7 billion. Think of parameters like brain cells. More usually means smarter AI. The smallest model runs on your phone. No internet needed, no monthly subscription, no API costs. The 7 billion parameter model competes with models that cost companies millions to train and thousands per month to access. And you can download it right now for free. Now, if you want to get ahead of this AI revolution and learn exactly how to set up models like Hunyuan for your business, you need to check out our AI Success Lab. Inside, you'll find step-by-step video tutorials for deploying these exact models. No technical background required. We've got over 100 use cases with screenshots and walkthroughs. Plus, 14,000 members are already scaling their businesses with AI automation. You'll get all the video notes, training materials, and daily tutorials. Link is in the comments and description. Don't miss out on this game-changing opportunity. Now you might be thinking, Julian, this sounds too good to be true, but wait until you see these benchmark scores. On the drop benchmark, which tests reading comprehension, Hunyuan 7B scored 85.9. That's crushing performance for a free model. On AMI 2024, which tests advanced math, Hunyuan 7B scored 81.1. And remember, Hunyuan is completely free while competitors cost you money every time you use them. But the real kicker, these models support a 256K context window. That means you can feed them 500,000 English words in one go. OpenAI's GPT-4, maximum 128K context. Hunyuan, crystal clear understanding all the way to 256K. Traditional AI models forget stuff. Hunyuan connects dots across massive amounts of text and maintains perfect context throughout long conversations. These models support what Tencent calls hybrid reasoning, fast thinking and slow thinking. Fast thinking is for quick questions, instant responses. Slow thinking is for complex problems. The AI thinks longer to give you better answers. You control which mode to use. Think or no think before you prompt. I tested this with a marketing strategy question. Fast mode gave me a response in 3 seconds. Slow mode gave me strategic analysis with market research. Now, how do you actually use these models? Where do you download them? Tencent made this simple. Go to GitHub or Hugging Face. Search for Hunyuan. That's it. Got a smartphone? Use the 0.5B model. Runs on 4 gigabytes of RAM. Need more power? The 1.8B model handles complex conversations. Runs on 8 gigabytes of RAM. Running a business? The 4B model delivers professional-grade performance. Needs 12 gigabytes of RAM, want maximum power. The 7B model matches performance of models that cost thousands per month, requires 16 gigabytes of RAM but gives you unlimited GPT-4 level intelligence. These models are optimized for agentic capabilities. They're designed to act like AI employees, not just chatbots. I set up the 7B model as my virtual research assistant. I gave it a business question about market entry strategies. It created a research plan and executed each step systematically. But here's the part that's going to make traditional AI companies sweat. Efficiency. Tencent developed angle slim compression. The 7B model, compressed with FP8 quantization, uses 50% less memory and runs 70% faster with almost no drop in performance. The compressed 7B model runs on just 8 gigabytes of RAM instead of 16 gigabytes. Perfect for most business laptops. Traditional AI companies charge you based on tokens. Every word costs money. With Hunyuan, you pay once for the hardware and that's it. No monthly fees, no usage limits, no surprise bills. A typical business using ChatGPT Plus and Claude Pro pays $40 per month. add API costs, and you're looking at $200 to $500 monthly. With Hunyuan running locally, zero ongoing costs. Buy a decent computer once and run unlimited AI inference forever, but the real game changer isn't just the cost savings, it's the privacy. When you use ChatGPT or Claude, your data goes to their servers. They can see everything, your business plans, your customer data, your competitive strategies. With Hunyuan running locally, nothing leaves your computer. Complete privacy, total control. Now let me show you why Hunyuan is specifically dominating in key areas. Mathematics. The 4B model scored 72.3 on the MATH dataset, which contains competition-level problems. Most open-source models can't break 50 on this benchmark. On GSM-8K, which tests grade school math, the 4B model hit 87.5. That's better than many models that cost thousands of dollars to train. But here's what really matters for business owners. These models excel at real-world tasks. Content creation. I asked the 4B model to write marketing copy for a SaaS product. It created headlines and copy that converted 23% higher. The coding capabilities are incredible. I asked the 7B model to write a Python script for automated social media posting. It wrote clean, production-ready code, and unlike GitHub Copilot, which costs $10 per month per developer, Hunyuan runs locally. Your code never leaves your servers. These models are completely open source. Every line of code is public. Security researchers have examined them. No backdoors, no hidden functionality. Because it's open source, you're not locked into any vendor. Don't like something? Modify it. Need a specific feature? Train it yourself. Compare that to proprietary models. OpenAI changes their API. You have to adapt. Google discontinues the service. You're stuck. With open source models like Hunyuan, you control your destiny. The businesses that adopt these open source models first will have a massive advantage. Lower costs, higher performance, more privacy, better control. The AI landscape is changing fast. 6 months ago, open source models were far behind proprietary ones. Today, models like Hunyuan are matching or beating them. Don't wait until everyone else figures this out. The first movers get the biggest advantages. Now, I want to be transparent about limitations. The smaller models are great for basic tasks, but struggle with complex reasoning. The larger models require decent hardware. But here's what matters for most businesses. Hunyuan is good enough for 80% of use cases at 0% of the cost. That's a game-changing value proposition. And remember, this is just the beginning. Tencent also released Hunyuan Video for AI video generation, Hunyuan 3D for creating 3D models, Hunyuan World for generating virtual environments, all open source, all free. The Chinese AI ecosystem is exploding. While American companies focus on monetization and restrictions, Chinese companies are open sourcing everything. The next 12 months will separate the leaders from the followers. Companies that embrace open source AI will have significant advantages. Which category do you want to be in? Now, before we wrap up, let me tell you about the resources that can help you succeed with AI automation. If you're serious about scaling your business with AI, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds with AI automation. Over 1,000 members are already inside implementing AI systems that are working right now. You'll get step-by-step tutorials, done-for-you automations, and direct access to strategies that are generating real results. Also, if you want a personalized strategy for your specific business, I'm offering free SEO strategy sessions. We'll analyze your current situation and show you exactly how to use AI to dominate your market. Link is in the comments and description. And don't forget about the AI Success Lab. This is where you'll get all the video notes from this exact video, plus access to 100+ use cases and tutorials from our community of 14,000 members. You'll see the checklist of 100 different tutorials that we give away as freebies every day inside the school feed, plus all the training materials and walkthroughs for deploying models like Hunyuan. When you see 14,000 people already inside, you'll realize you don't want to miss out on being part of something this big. Link is in the comments and description. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know which Hunyuan model you're most excited to try. That's it for today. The Chinese AI revolution is here. The models are free, the opportunity is massive. Don't wait. Download Hunyuan today and start building your competitive advantage.